Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel your Descript subscription plan. Let's get started. Log into your account. Go to Descript's website. Go to your drive. After you're logged in, click on your drive in the top right corner and choose Settings. Find your subscription. In your settings, look for the section where your subscription information is listed and click on Change Plan. Cancel your subscription. If you're ready to cancel, click on Downgrade for free. Optional, share feedback. Descript might ask you why you're downgrading your subscription. You can provide criticism if you want, or skip it if you'd rather not, and proceed to cancel your plan. Confirm the cancellation. Do a thorough review and make sure everything looks good, and then verify that you want to cancel the current subscription. Double check. After you cancel, head back to your account settings to make sure your subscription has been downgraded as you wanted. And you are done. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.